Welcome to this demo of the uXML code analysis tool. This has been written by one of our customers, and it's an awesome tool for code analysis and code review. So we just open up a form using the open dialog there, and we're instantly presented very quick load of an overview of the form, all of the triggers, lots of different ways to navigate. Let's take you through it. So we see here a call to a local proc, and we can hyperlink directly to wherever that local proc is, and we can find it, and we can see there in the tree widget all of the available local procs, and we can then drill from there to the next local proc, etc. By clicking on any of the words, there's some syntax understanding there, and so that we can automatically highlight wherever these things are used. Helps in understanding that code. The forward and back buttons work in the way that you would expect to take you back to where you just were. You can navigate also to find where all of those procs are called. So by simply expanding that tree widget, you can see where that proc is called from, whether it's called from an entity, a field, a detail trigger, or from another local proc. It's an excellent way to navigate. Our customer actually used this as the main tool for debugging code, and only once they've understood the problem do they then hop into the IDF and simply make the code change. Not only local procs, of course, but here we've got local variables, and everywhere that local variable is used. Again, regardless whether it's a leave field trigger or a local proc, you can find wherever that variable is used. And again, for global variable, a global variable used within this form component. Easy to find wherever in this form component that global variable is used. It's very different from doing individual searches for each of these items. You have it there instantly in that tree widget. So you don't have to form a specific query to find each of these things. It's just there instantly as soon as you load up the form. Include procs everywhere that those include procs are used. Constants, exactly the same way. Firstly, where the constant is defined, and then all the places that it's used. Entities, exactly the same. You find each curroc, each setoc, each reference to one of these entities. And it automatically understands that if you use that same word in an ask mess or something like that, that's not really using that entity. And then again, the same with fields. Everywhere a particular field is used, whether it's in a prompt, get list items, put list items, everywhere that field is used can be easily found throughout the, in this case, the form component. And if that's not enough, detailed search capabilities that are intelligent, understand something about the Uniface code. So you can do things like exclude comments. So you're not interested in finding that word in a comment somewhere, you're only looking for it in real code. Now, here we've found some activate statements, and of course the activates are highlighted and hyperlinked as well. So we can automatically open up the next form component, opens automatically in the operation trigger, and showing where that operation is in the code for that. Of course, we can go back to the calling component where we started before. Finally, the Paint Tableau, not very readable in its native format, but here we go, converted and displayed, and you can navigate again by each of those painted items. Thank you for your time to see this demo of uXML. You can get it directly from our customer. More information is available on the u.info website. Thank you.